Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines, Tokyo, Japan, Deputy Chief of Mission, the Honorable Robespierre L. Bolivar, our Ottawin Advisor, Second Secretary Consul John Kenneth E. Bolante, Consul Dominique Ipare, our Labor Attaché, Ma'am Rose Escalada and her entourage from the Philippine Overseas Labor Office, Attorney Dominador Salanga, and Welfare Officer Ma'am Annie Crisostomo. To the very compassionate couple, if not for them, we wouldn't be here. Our venue sponsors, Sir Paul James Bauer and Mrs. Tessie Bauer. Our dear sponsors, without them, our event will not be as grand as this. Our dear regional group leaders, the grand finalists, dear families and friends, good evening. Konnichiwa, Ottawin kasho tayo ni Owatsumari Tadaki, arigatou gozaimasu. I'm kind of nostalgic today because 15 years ago, when Ottawin started, we were under the guidance of the then Polo Labor Attaché Ray de Luz Conferino and well-off Josephine Sanchez Cobia. The presence of our Polo officials today makes our 15 years more meaningful to celebrate. Who could ever tell that Ottawin will last this long? As it was said, one of the most important things you can do on this earth is to let people know that they are not alone. The more blessings we receive from above, the more we need to share to the list of our brethren. Thank you very much for believing in Ottawin's vision and mission all these years. Ottawin is not just a showcase of talents of our kababayan. You are helping us to raise funds for our Ottawin beneficiary Gawad Kalinga Civil, Child and Youth Development. この日を迎えることができて、皆様に心から感謝を申し上げます。本当にありがとうございました。And now please help me call on our Ottawin advisor to welcome you and introduce our special guest speaker. Second Secretary of Cultural Section of the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines, Tokyo, Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Consul John Kenneth E. Bolante.
Our guest speaker for this evening was conferred by President Rodrigo Roa Duterte in 2018 the Order of the Gawad Mahini in the rank of the Kilang Masu. The Gawad Mahini is one of the highest honors awarded to Filipino diplomats. Prior to joining the Philippine Embassy in Tokyo, our guest speaker served in the concurrent capacity as Acting Department of Foreign Affairs spokesperson and a Senior Special Assistant to the Undersecretary for Policy. Prior to his stint in Manila, our guest speaker served as Deputy Chief of Mission and Consul General at the Philippine Mission to the European Union and the Philippine Embassy to Belgium and Luxembourg, based in Brussels, where he worked primarily on Philippines' European Union bilateral issues and was the Embassy's primary liaison with the European Commission and the European External Action Service. Our guest speaker served as Consul General in Tokyo from April 2018 to July 2019 before being designated Deputy Chief of Mission at the Embassy. He is a graduate of the University of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the Deputy Chief of Mission of the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines in Tokyo, the Honorable Robespierre L.
Thank you, Consul Ken. And please, another round of applause for Consul Ken. He joined the embassy, I think, barely 3 months ago. Pero nakikita naman very active na siya ngayon. Siya na yung pinakasikat sa Taga-Embassy or sa Filipino community. So So thanks, Consul Ken, and of course, Consul Italia is also here, and Nabat, Wenlock, and KLA. Magandang umaga po at nakawala talaga ako. Nakakaway mo man eh. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and I hope you are all enjoying the sumptuous dinner. First and foremost, congratulations to Miss Irene and the rest of the organizing committee of Kawit. Let's give them a big round of applause. Congratulations on this wonderful event you have tonight. And also for 15 years of Kawit. It's quite an achievement. 15 years, so 5 years lang palang tanda ko sa Kawit. So, 5, ano yan, gano'n ko katagal sa DFB. Hindi po yun yung edad ko. But, I just like to, I feel very much at home with Kawit. I've been in Tokyo for almost 2 years. And each of those years, I was always here in Kawit with all of you. So, ganun ako sa kasama ninyo mga participants organizing video of Kawit. And the longevity of this organization, this contest, and the fact that in 15 years, kinukwento ko nga si Ms. Irene, in 15 years, it transformed from a very small operation, a very small contest based in Tokyo, to now spanning Hokkaido all the way to Kyushu, hopefully soon Okinawa. So, ganun katindi yung bilis at yung reach ng Kawit. It goes to show how important music is in our lives. Sabi nga ang mga Pilipino, we are the world's troubadours. Tayo ang mga mamangawit ng mundo. Siguro, except me, dahil hindi ko ako marunong kumanta. But, when we say we're the singers of the world, minsan the first thing that comes to mind, we're entertainers. Nakita nga natin sa ating mga sakilang MC, pwede ka naman mag-entertain ng ating grand champion last year. Yes, we do entertain, and that is one of our talents. Filipinos are great entertainers, especially through music. But one thing that we should always remember, aside from being entertaining, music has power. Music has the power to influence. Music has the power to comfort. Music has the power to heal. And music has the power to unite. Hindi po ba, sino sa inyo buhay ng EDSA? 86. Walang gustong umamin. Ako lang ang buhay ng EDSA. Naalala niyo ano yung mga kanta ng EDSA? Magkaisa, di ba? So buhay na siya ng mga yes. Di ba? Mayroon tayong mga theme song na ganyan for every historic event of our country. So music has the power to unite. And music has the power to bridge gaps, to do away with divisions. And that's something we have to remember. That's something we have to continue to harness. And I'm so happy to be, and also privileged to be part of, however small, to be part of Kawit. Because nakita naman natin kanina, for the last, how many years, the last decade or so, how Kawit, through music, was able to help the less fortunate brothers and sisters we have. Through music, they were able to bring education, to bring hope for our kababayans back home. And of course, to unite. The Filipino community, sama makakita na in one ballroom, from Hokkaido all the way to Kyushu, Filipino communities united, doing this together. So again, another round of applause for Kawit, please. And of course, good luck to our contestants, our finalists. Kahit kung hindi ako marunong ng ako, hindi na matindi yung kritiko. Good luck sa inyo. For my part, you're all winners already. The fact that you made it this far. And maraming salamat po. Enjoy the evening. And again, congratulations.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Very inspirational. Now, ready na po kayo? We have